Call is now being recorded.
Good evening, everybody. I welcome all the participants for today's faculty lecture series. As part of this lecture series, today's resource person is Dr. Ramanjana Reddy sir, Associate Professor from CSE Department. Sir is going to give lecture on software development life cycle. Sir, I invite today's resource person, Ramanjana Reddy sir. Sir, please start the session, sir.
Yeah, thank you, sir. So, good evening, everybody. First of all, I thanks to management, director, sir, principal, sir, and HOD of CSE, and faculty members and students for giving this opportunity to share my information on practical SDLC. So, why I have chosen this SDLC? Because it is the most one of the important interview-oriented question to the students. So that is the reason I have chosen this SDLC topic. And I have prepared all this PPT especially for the students to explore their knowledge very clearly. Okay, so that is the reason I have prepared this PPT for you. So what is the meaning of SDLC? So SDLC stands for Software Development Life Cycle. SDLC stands for Software Development Life Cycle. So what is a SDLC and what for it is and what for SDLC? SDLC is a framework that comprises a well-defined series of planned activities to produce a quality software. Now coming to the picture of what is the meaning of quality software. So quality software in the sense that it should meet the customer requirements as well as we should develop a project, we should develop a software within the time and budget. So that is the simple explanation regarding the quality software. So the main aim of this SDLC is to build a quality software.